watch the clouds drift across your face. The daylight falls, it leaves no trace. Every echo whispers your name, but nothing here feels the same.
I keep my eyes on the rain, counting moments that remain. Every drop's a memory, falling slow and silently.
The walls remember what we said. The air still hums the words unsaid. I reach for shadows in the night. You fade away with the light.
I keep my eyes on the rain, counting moments that remain. Every drop's a memory, falling slow and silently. If time could stop for just one breath, I'll find you where the silence rests. I keep my eyes on the rain, counting moments that remain.
Every drop's a memory,
Falling slow and endlessly.